Now, so welcome everyone to Quantifiers. Now, this set is one of the ऐसा सेट पहले एक बार आया था हमारे पास in the form of coach John set. If any of you remember, in this was triangular players and there were players like Sehwag and everything. This is just a moderation of that. All right, a set is pretty much same. It is just a moderation of that. Okay. Now, if we read the set, what it is written. In recent international cricket tournament, the team for KV Saharanpur played 3 matches, 1, 2, and 3 against the teams. 6 of their batsmen, A to F, performed extremely well, and the coach is planning for blah 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 rigorous training, etc. All right, it shows that the runs scored by this. Now there are two indices which we have to calculate. D index is the difference between the highest and the second highest score of a player, and A index the average of a score. Right now we have to understand one thing, that the score of the players for which the number is not given will be in the range. All right, so they have scored 80% of the score, and other two might or might not be scored by them, and it is a range that we will get. So basically there are 6 players, A to F, and they are playing 3 matches: match 1, match 2, match 3. So one thing is for sure that we have to make a table like this. हमें एक table बनाना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे हम सारी values लिखेंगे. So let us just start writing it. Let us try to understand कि हमें क्या क्या करना है. Right? I have removed all the information that is not relevant. Okay. Let us write the scores that we have. I know this for a fact that in match 1, A has scored 60, C has scored 90, and D has scored 50, and F has scored 40. Right, 90, 60, 150, 200, 240. 240 is what? 240 is 80% of the score. So if 80% is 240, 100% is 300. Right, 100%. The total score is 300. Which means I can assume that B and E are scoring the rest of the runs. Right, if I have to maximize it or minimize it, I can assume that these two variables are making 60 scores. All right, B and E. They are distributing the remaining 60 score amidst themselves. Can anyone tell me what will be the range of their scores? Anyone? Perfect. The range of their score will be 15 to 45. Very well. It will not be 15 to 60. It will be 15 to 45. I know this for a fact. I know this for a fact that a player is scoring a minimum of 15 runs. It is given to me that a player is scoring a minimum of 15 scores. So even if B is scoring the minimum of 15, E must be scoring 45 in order to compensate. Also, remember one thing, that most of you might have taken 15 to 39. Why? Because you might have thought that these are the top 4 scores given. But no, there is nothing like this mentioned. Right? You are just picking that information from the past. Right? If you have done a set of that sort, you are picking up that information from there. It is not mentioned that these are the top 4 scores. It is just told it shows the runs scored by 4 of the 6 batsmen and the percentage of this. All right. So this is one of the most common error that people do in this set. All right. I hope this is clear. So this is 15 to 45. Similarly, E will be 15 to 45. Is this range clear, everyone? Yes or no? The total is 300, right? Now let's focus upon match 2. In match 2, this was 75. B was 100. This is 49. This is 54. So 5 and 9, 14 and 4, 18. 7 एक 8 12 5 17. E55 है और E55 तभी 278 आया, मल्टीपल नहीं है. ठीक है सॉरी. The total is 279 in this case. That is 90%. So 100% would be 31 310. 100% would be 310. Now what will be the score range here? See, now if you see C and F are scoring the remaining 31 runs. C plus F बचे हुए 31 रन स्कोर कर रहे हैं. So if C is scoring 15, F is scoring 16 and vice versa. So the range I can allot is 15 to 16. All right, this is the range I can allocate. Now let's talk about the last match. I know that this player has scored 52. This player has scored 45. This player has scored 60. This player has scored 74. Okay. What is the total here? 97, 157, 229. No, 231. 231 is 70%. So the 330 is the total score in this case. 330. So how much more I score? I have 69 and 30, 99 score. 99 is the extra run that are being created by A and D. 99. So this is 15. This is 84. The range will be. That's it. All right. I cannot find anything else except from this. So once this table is done, your life will be very easy. Right. Is this clear, everyone? Table, any doubt, anyone? No. All right. Now let's look at this. This is 60, this is 75, right? How many ways it is possible for a player to calculate D index? D index is what? D index is top score minus second top score. Now what is the answer for this? For this, the top score cannot be determined. So iska to nahi niklega. Iska to nahi niklega. For this, the top score can be calculated. For B, top score can be calculated, that is 100 minus 52. For him, top score can be calculated 90 minus 45, right? For D, top score is not determined. So for D, I cannot calculate. For E, it would be 60 minus 55. And for F, it would be 74 minus 40. So for 4 players, I can actually calculate the D index. Is that clear? All right. So answer to the first question is 4. Right? Okay. Now let's talk about A index. Now I need ranges for everything. I need ranges for everything as it is given to me. Now when I talk about the ranges for everything, what are the various values that you are getting? The various values that you are getting for A, 60 and 75, 135 and 15, 150. So A is 150. That is 50. All right. Now remember one thing. If you have to calculate the average, no, you do not need to add up everything again and again. The total is 69 more. If the total is 69 more, average will increase by 23. All right. So it will be 73. The total will be 73 into 3, 219. Are you getting this? How I am writing this? समझ आया मैं कैसे लिखा ये बात? आपको बार बार मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको पता है बेटा. See what were the 3 numbers you were initially adding? Initially you were adding 60 plus 75 plus 15 divided by 3. You founded it to be 150 divided by 3. ये आपको मिला, right? Then you founded that you have to add 69 extra. 15 की जगह 84 लिखना है ना आपने. बाकी नंबर तो सेम ही रहने वाले हैं. तो सिर्फ 15 की जगह 84 लिखना है. यानी कितना एक्स्ट्रा लेके आओगे आप? 69 एक्स्ट्रा लेके आओगे आप. ऑलराइट. So average में you just have to write 69 by 9, 323 more. Is this clear? Yes or no? See, I can absolutely compare, but the thing is there are some questions in which there are what is the maximum and minimum difference between A index, right? For that value we have to actually calculate these. तब भी तो calculate करोगे ना, difference को 3 से divide करोगे and everything. We cannot write specific number. बीच का स्कोर हुआ तो अरे बेटा दिस इज द मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम ए इंडेक्स की मिनिमम कितना होगा मैक्सिमम क्या होगा राइट I am just writing the range that the A index will drive between 50 to 73. This is the minimum possible A index. One is the maximum possible. because all the questions will be dependent upon the range only. We cannot find exact answer for anything. All right. Now 152 and 167. 167 by 3, that is 55.66. And now I am writing 30 more. So 30 more, 30 divided by 10, 65.66. Again, directly you can write the average, right? 30 का total ज़्यादा हो रहा है, 30 means 30 divided by 10. All right. So total लिखना भी हो 30 ज़्यादा हो रहा है, 197 total होगा हमारा, है ना? Okay. Now 19 45 135 150 150 by 5 150 total score हो सकता है और 151. So 50 and 50.3. Correct. अक्षय आता हूं मैं आपकी बात पे. Just give me a second. I'll come back to your point. 50 49 99 15 114 114 by 13 38. All right. Now 15 to 84 69 more 23 61. All right. So 183. Now 15 15 70 60 130 130 by 3. What is 3.3? 30 का फर्क है तो 53.33. All right. The score will be 160. All right. Last value 129 130. That would be 43. 43. All right. Among the players mentioned who cannot have the lowest A index, किसका lowest A index नहीं हो सकता? Obviously B का नहीं हो सकता. Why? Because B's lowest value 55.66 is greater than the highest value of E, F and D. उसकी वैल्यू उनके हाईएस्ट से भी ज्यादा है. ऑलराइट. सो इसका पक्का ही लोएस्ट नहीं हो सकता. डी का हो सकता है, डी की पॉसिबिलिटी है, राइट, बट ए और एफ का बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकता. तो बी का पक्का नहीं हो सकता, राइट. बी कैन नॉट हैव द लोएस्ट ए इंडेक्स. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड you can directly pick up it from the total also. अगर आपने एवरेज ना निकाली होती तो आप उसको टोटल से भी डायरेक्टली पिक कर सकते थे कि बी का लोएस्ट टोटल जो कि 167 है वो इनके मैक्सिमम टोटल से भी ज्यादा है, तो मैं वहां से भी डायरेक्टली रिजल्ट पिक कर सकता हूं. ऑलराइट. Okay. How many people among the 6 listed definitely had a total scored that was less than A's total? A के टोटल से डेफिनेटली लेस था. कितना? कौन होगा वो बेटा? Only F. Right? Only F is that person, right? जिसका जो है had a total score that was less than A. बाकी सबका ज्यादा भी हो सकता है ना? Because A's minimum score is 150. Only there is one person whose maximum score is less than A. सिर्फ एक ही बंदा ऐसा है जिसका मैक्सिमम स्कोर भी A से कम है, बाकी सबके ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. Alright, so there is only one person. Alright. Now, for which players the difference between the maximum and the minimum values of A index lowest? For 2 players, the difference is same, right? So this can also be seen कि अगर 2 players का difference 1-1 था, अगर आपने A value ना भी निकाली होती तो 2 player ऐसे थे जिनका difference 1 आना था value में, सिर्फ 150 to 151 this. तो इनका ही सबसे कम आता आंसर. Right, C and F. All right. Is that clear, everyone? Yes or no? All right. So this completes our set. How many of you did get that right? बहुत अच्छे, होशियार हो गए बेटा. Right. So we'll finish it on this note. We are starting with the booster course on 9th. All right. So if you are interested, you can definitely join it, right? And you can also attend the classes from tonight, just in case if you have joined, there is something extra for you. Alright. ठीक है, वीडियो मैं इसका डालता हूँ, रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, सुबह डाल दूंगा. Okay. So if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt around it, you can always text me at the number in the bottom. All right. Chalo. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Good night.